All right, we are live again. Yesterday I didn't get a chance to go through another tote, but we are live. As you can see, we have a full box here for you to go through with us. This one actually has some pretty decent stuff on it, it looks like. We've got nice bedding set. This is going to be a full or a queen. It's actually got some really nice colors. Dark or light, reversible. Like I said, we have not had to buy packing tape. Tons of packing tape. At this point, we're actually very well stocked up on packing tape. Vintage Halloween plates. Oh, that's cool. So these are cool. Those of you that are into Halloween, a Merry Halloween, Halloween greetings, Halloween, and I was just told my headpiece is in my pocket, but I don't have my headpiece on me. Hold on just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, everybody. We had a little technical difficulty I had to fix. All right, let's look at this box. Huh, that's cool. That's a fun collectible. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. Isaiah 40:31. That's cool. We'll get that priced out. We have a 12-piece service for 4. Shake the box. 12-piece service for 4. These are kind of unique. I don't hear any glass, so they're probably good. I'm actually really amazed at how well dishes do. We have wooden stirrers. Looks like for coffee, individual wrap stirrers. So if you own a coffee shop or you serve coffee, there we go. We got stirrers for you. We have The Way of Kings by Brandon Sanderson. Interesting. All right, what else do we have here? We have a $1 something. Fuchsia something. Yeah, look at that. I think that would make a good chew toy. The original price tag on it is $1, and I can see why it's $1 because it is literally, yeah. I don't even think we'll put that in the shop. Maybe as a chew toy for some dogs. What do we got here? So this is a motorcycle wheel chock. That's cool. Motorcycle wheel chock. Car parts. We have more stirrers. Looks like we have a whole case of these. Each one of these has 500 in it. So let's see here. What do we got here? Oh, electric hoist. These are cool. So we got an electric hoist. I don't know what these are. 50 sets gift box. Little tiny gift boxes with gold lids and clear. That's cool. Undercoat deshedding tool for small cats. So if you're a cat owner and you want a deshedding tool, there you go. Find out what this is. Oh, these are cool. We have a couple of these. These are hot plates. Kind of nice. They're pretty good quality too. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We have plastic cups that goes all the way to the bottom. We have silver solid plates. It's got a little gold trim around it. Those are kind of cool. They're actually plastic and not paperware. We have some wallpaper, Serena and Lily, 27 inches by 27 long. So if you're wanting to do a small room, it's got a cool print to it. So this is a wireless charging stand, but it doesn't have a charger or anything. It might be in the bottom of the box, but kind of cool. Did that one. What do we got here? Portable UV Sterilizer. Well, that's kind of cool. So portable, if you're concerned about sanitization and stuff, this is really cool. Be really good for a home office. Keyboards are disgusting. Okay, what do we got here? Pathology. We have a whole stack. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a bunch of these books, so we'll get those out of the way. We have more stir sticks. Oh, this goes with the plates that I took out, the vintage Halloween plates. These are nice little bowls. Look at that. Kind of cute. There you go. I'm assuming they match up with those plates, so we'll put them all together. We have charger. Computer charger for a Lenovo. We have cords. Oh, that's cool. That's a multi-cord end with a busted end, so that's not cool. Let's see. What is this? Safe lock quick set. Oh, nice. Nice little, probably a bathroom door lock. What it looks like. Looks like we have another one down there. Shower caddy. It's kind of cool, I guess. Let's see here. I am not sure what this is for, but it's a cool little case with a clip on the back of it. So if you have something that'll fit in that, you can have it. Because I don't want to spend the time to go look up what this thing is. So if you have something, little tiny thing, it'll fit in this little case, you're more than welcome. Come in and get it. It's at the front desk. All right, what are these? Welding wire. Professional welding wire. Those are awesome. I know a couple of guys who will, these will probably only be here till Saturday and then they'll be gone. Tech. So, I left my knife in the back. So we will just tear these off. Oh, these are cool. So we've had these a couple of times. They're like a little plant stand, end table type thing. They're really pretty, really lightweight, kind of nice. Like I said, we've had them a couple of times. They sell really fast. So if you're looking for something like that, let us know, because yeah, looks like we only have one. All right, what is this? Wrappies. Don't know what this is. I'll have to look this up. I don't want to open the box, because once we open the box, you know, it makes them harder to sell with an open box. Oh, thank you, Sadie. So we'll look these up and find out what they are. It doesn't say on this box, but we have a whole case of them. So they're obviously rubber. So this is going to be another one of those totes with boxes in it. And we have something rough country right here. Let's find out what this is. Shall we? Okay. Oh, this is cool. This would be for like an ATV. It is a rough country UTV winch with rope. That's nice. So if you have a UTV and you need a winch for it, we've got one here. Didn't say if it's wireless or not, but it does have, it looks like it has everything for it. Yeah, that's nice. We like getting stuff like that. So UTV winch. It definitely is not cheap, Austin. Those UTV winches can be spendy. Non-slip puppy pads. Well, if any of you have been in the shop lately and you've seen Cookie the shop dog, it's Lynn's new puppy. We just bought a whole bunch of these pads because we didn't have any in stock, and now we have them in stock. All right. What else we got here? Looks like we have 2 more boxes of vegetable bags. So Deanna, if you're looking or watching, we have a ton of these produce bags. And then, oh, there's that one. That's another one of those doors. There's that. More produce bags. And then these are going to be styrofoam plates. And these are, oh, that sucks. Ice buckets or popcorn buckets. So the rest of this stuff, I'm just going to take back out to the truck. It all goes over to our business supply storage unit. I don't see anything else. Clear tall plastic cups. There's Clarissa. Okay, well that's about it. This one was, we had some good stuff on top. That winch is really nice. There's a few other things that are good, but that is it for this pallet. So thank you guys for watching. We'll bring another one in. I don't know if I'll bring it in tonight or in the morning, but if I bring it in tonight, I'll live stream as long as I'm here going through it, and then we'll resume tomorrow. So have a good one, guys.